they have sent us something that I'm excited about. So let's open the box before I get into why I'm so excited about it. Because it seems to, it's a simple little thing. Got the tape on it. This is the F-150 rear seat quick release. Most people are not aware that in the back seat of the F-150 actually has OEM latches, and the back seat can open while we're out here. The passenger side, you fold down, there's a place to grab it and fold it down. That's where the jack is stored. But this side, there's no consumer portal. But if you get a dog bone wrench, a long skinny wrench, you can reach down and grab a hold of that button right there. And when it latches, and then you grab that button right there and it pulls up. You'll see I configured an extension out of the coat hanger. And it's just wrapped around that little stud. So I'm going to install this because this looks a little more refined. Put it over right there, like so. So let me get the installation put on there and then we'll take a look at it. Then we'll wait. I'll be back. Screws. Reset screws. Hold that in place. It fits on just like that. And we're going to put some thread lock on all three of these to make sure they don't back out. You reach back here, grab that, and pull up. Now, just note, this floats. This is not a fixed device. So if your seat won't latch, odds are pretty good